Hey, it's Henry from exceptionalmarketer.com. And today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, and that topic is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a really simple business model. You basically promote somebody else's product, you send traffic to that product, you make sales, and you collect the commission. And people love affiliate marketing because it's a very easy business to get into. There's very low barrier of entry. You can get into affiliate marketing for probably $100. It's a business that requires no inventory, no office space, no employees. You can literally sit at your kitchen table in your underwear and be a successful affiliate marketer. And there's no customer service issues. You're not shipping anything. You're not dealing with refunds. You have no support issues. So it's a great business to get into. But having said all that, there are certain affiliate marketing tips. These are rules to achieve affiliate marketing success. And these are things that you really cannot violate if you want to create success as an affiliate marketer. So let's take a look and see exactly what these things are. Well, tip number one is never promote a product directly. Many affiliates do what's called direct linking. They take their prospect, the traffic, and they send it directly to an affiliate page. And that's a huge no-no. And it's a huge no-no for a couple of reasons. First of all, how many people do you think buy on the first contact? Studies have shown that you have to have anywhere from 7 to 9 touches with a prospect before they're ready to buy. So chances of you making a sale by sending somebody directly to an affiliate page are probably less than 1%. So you're not going to make much money doing it that way. Also, ad networks may reject your ads or even close your account. There are ad networks that do not allow direct linking. If you direct link on Facebook, your account will be banned in a matter of minutes. If you direct link on Google, there's a very good chance your ads will get rejected. They do not want you to direct link. Also, if you direct link, you're missing the chance to put your prospect on an email list. You're foregoing the opportunity of getting a prospect and giving yourself the ability to market to that particular prospect over and over again. So you're losing the chance of making sales down the line. And then finally, you can't retarget. Now, what is retargeting? Retargeting is putting a pixel on your pages, and that from that pixel, you can then create an audience. Say people come to your landing page, but they don't click, and they don't opt in. They just come to the page, take a look, and they go away for whatever reason. So these people have already shown an interest in your product, but you're losing them. If you put a retargeting pixel on that page, you can build an audience of people who have shown an interest in your page, and you can market to them going forward. But you cannot put a retargeting pixel on a page you don't own, and you don't own the affiliate page. So you're going to miss out on retargeting, and that's a chance to make a lot of money. And by the way, retargeting ads are a lot cheaper than the initial ad cost. So you do not want to lose that opportunity. So do not promote directly. Tip number two is don't be just another affiliate. Now, this is extremely important because you may be an affiliate for a particular product, but there may be 1,000 other people promoting that product at the same time as you. Exactly why would somebody come to you and not go to somebody else? What makes you special? Well, you need to learn to stand out above the noise. You have to differentiate yourself from everybody else. And incidentally, there are countless stories of affiliates who are doing everything the same as the other guys promoting the same product, had no success, and switched up just a few things, and all of a sudden, they were top guys in their industry. They were earning tons of money. Same product, same everything. They made a couple of changes. So what are kind of changes you can make? Well, first of all, you need to create your own marketing funnels and email swipes. You can't be reliant and use the stuff that's given to you by the product creator because everybody else is using that. Chances are, if they see your marketing funnel, they've seen that marketing funnel 100 times. They get blind to it. Why should they even be interested in you? Also, email swipes. Many product creators provide email swipes. And what happens is affiliates who get a little bit lazy, they just copy and paste those email swipes. We'll have news for you. If somebody's on your email list, there's a chance he's on another 20, 30, maybe 50 other email lists. So he's seeing that same email swipe over and over and over again. As soon as he sees yours, he's clicking away. So don't use their email swipes. You can use their email swipes as a guide. You can take the same points that they made, but make them in your own words. Add your own angles, add your own personality so that you stand out and you become memorable to the people looking at it, and you're not one of the other affiliates. You have to do whatever you need to do to get noticed. I'll give you a perfect example. Former President Trump. Whether you love him or whether you hate him, you cannot avoid him. He is a publicity hound. He's an expert at getting his name in front of the public. So whether you like him or not, you're not getting away from him. And there's a saying, no publicity is bad publicity. You want to get noticed so that you become top of mind to the people you're promoting to. Tip number 3. Create systems and always maintain control. Now, systems work and people fail. So what exactly are systems? Well, systems are things like your funnel. You have a landing page. It's your landing page. You own it. You control it. You have a bridge page where you send people. You have an email follow-up sequence. You have other products that you create and put on your website. These are things that you control. You don't control YouTube, you don't control Google, and you don't control Facebook. But you do control your own pages. These are things that can't be taken away from you. So create your own systems. Let your system do all the heavy lifting. If you've got a good, solid funnel that is proven successful, your only job then is to feed people into the top of the funnel, your prospects, and let the funnel do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Let your funnel do all the selling for you. And you can make your funnel as long and as big as you want. You can have 100 emails in that funnel if you want. You can put all kinds of offers in there, and you don't have to do any selling whatsoever. Tip number 4, create a hub and set up multiple streams of income. So what is a hub? A hub is your home on the internet. It's basically your website. You want to create a website where you put everything that you have of value. That's a place where you invite guests, just like you invite guests into your home. And you want to make it a comfortable place where people want to hang out. You want to do that by creating a hub. You want to create a website because it will help you build brand. You want to brand yourself. You want to build trust, and you want to build authority. And you can do that by creating a hub, having people constantly being referred to your website, your hub. And on that hub, you want to have multiple streams of income from related products. For example, if you're in the affiliate marketing niche and you're promoting products to affiliate marketers, well, you know they're going to want a website. So they need a domain. You can be an affiliate for a domain registrar. They're going to need hosting. You can be an affiliate for hosting. They're going to need a theme. You can be an affiliate for theme builders. They're going to need pages, a funnel. You can be an affiliate for a company like eStage, or you can be an affiliate for a company like ClickFunnels, and you can offer them that service through your affiliate link. You get paid. If they're going to need tracking, you can be an affiliate for a company like ClickMagick or eStage, which has tracking included. But in all these cases, these are products that your customers are going to eventually need anyway. So why not buy them from you as opposed to somebody else? And then you also want to build what's called a value ladder. And a value ladder, just like a ladder, where you ascend, you go to higher and higher levels. In a value ladder, you start your prospect off with a lower price product, a product that may even be an impulse buy product. But now you've identified them as a buyer because they've taken out their credit card and they've bought something from you. Now they're in the habit of buying. You move them up. As they gain more knowledge, you can move them up to more advanced and more expensive products. And the product is more expensive you earn a bigger commission. You earn more dollars as a commission. But again, these are products that they're going to need as they ascend in their knowledge and in the business. So why shouldn't you be the one making the sale and earning the commission? So build a hub, create multiple streams of income. And then tip number 5, this is so important. Really, you have to always bring visitors back to your hub. Your hub, your internet website, is going to house all your content under one domain name. And that's extremely important. You want to build domain authority. You don't want to have people going to this website for this affiliate product, this website for this product, this website for this product. You want it all under one domain. And that way you build domain authority in the eyes of Google, in the eyes of Facebook, in the eyes of YouTube. Your ads stand a better chance of not getting rejected, and you build some domain authority. You show that you're a real business and you build a brand. And today, being a brand is where it's at, because Google and Facebook now are showing preference to brands as opposed to you're an affiliate selling one product. Now you're a business. You've got a domain offering a lot of different value. So what do you put on your hub? You put everything on your hub. You include your blog posts. You include videos. If you've got videos, put them there. If the video's on YouTube and you put them on your blog as well, you've now also built a backlink. So that will help you rank. You want to have a page with resources and tools. This is your multiple streams of income. You want to have product recommendations, and you want to have product reviews. And remember, in all these different things, you embed your affiliate link. So now you're building brand, you're building authority and trust, and you're making product offers, which means you can now, once you've built that trust and authority, you can now make what's called effortless selling, selling without selling. You're making product recommendations, and you're the authority that people respect. There's an excellent chance that they will buy from you because they now trust you. So those are the 5 tips. Make sure you incorporate these tips into everything you do as an affiliate marketer. If you've gotten value from this video, please click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which I attempt to do on a regular basis. In addition, the first link in the description below this video is a link to a free webinar. This is a webinar presented by somebody who's done tens of millions of dollars strictly as an affiliate marketer. He really knows what he's talking about. And this webinar is chock full of valuable information that will help you in your affiliate marketing business. So you've got a chance to get this free training, no cost. Get on that training. I guarantee you, you will not leave the training the same person you were when you started the training. So until next time, till my next video comes up, the best of luck to you in your affiliate marketing business, and I'll catch you next time.